fingernails made out of? It's harder than old pudding skin. Softer than steel. Is it plastic?
Denny, we're rolling over here.
Hi there. My name is Denny, and I am an idiot. I really like learning stuff. I also really like making things. I also bounce from project to project in a never-ending circle because I get bored easily, but I want everyone to know everything about what I'm learning. It can be kind of a lot, but here's just a few of the things I'm learning and some of the lessons I'm learning along the way.
Fitness!
Did you know that you can blow a bubble with your own intestine? I learned that just now.
Good, go from the top again.
Oh God, okay. Drawing. Here's a pro tip. Do not ask your neighbors to be nude models for you. It does not go as expected. Looking real good, Mr. Whitaker.
Well, don't you do it. No, 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 no. Oh.
Also, sewing things, washing windows, blood and special effects, VFX. I own a book. So, if you want to watch a big red-headed idiot learn a bunch of creative stuff and maybe have a midlife crisis along the way, you're in the right place. The Creative Idiot. Jack of all trades, master of dumb. Okay, now I just gotta figure out how to post this on the internet. All right, where's my phone? That's still a thing?